Hi guys, do you know that in many African communities, men do not rely on pills for sexual performances and libido? Yes, they rely on African roots, and one of the most respected is Mondia Whitei.
Many people use it as a natural aphrodisiac, not because of hype, but because of generations of traditional use. Mondia root is traditionally used to support natural energy, stamina, and overall wellness. But what makes it special is that it has a unique, sweet vanilla-like taste mixed with a spicy ginger aroma. Follow Jibril Enterprise for more herbal and farming tips.